Hi, William.
Hi, welcome back to my friend's house.
Your friend's house. What were they trying to do today?
We're gonna make magnetic slime
How did we get the metal?
from dirt.
We went to the dirt?
Yeah,
What do we use to get it out?
magnets.
Ooh. Okay, let's see how we do it. Okay. Just because we're gonna try glue. We need contact solution. Or shaving cream. Do you know what? Go grab.
I don't know what it is.
Okay. Okay, so we only got a little bit of metal. Oh, Gabriel.
Okay.
And we're gonna try a little bit to see if it works. So we're not gonna have to waste the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Just throw some of that in there. Okay. Dump some glue in there.
Take off the lid.
Yeah, sure. Just do some. Let's see. Just a little bit more.
That's enough.
Yeah, we'll see what it looks like.
If you add more, we can add more.
Yeah.
Yes!
Do you want Gabriel? Hello.
Hello, buddy.
Do you want do it with your fingers or you want to do?
I have to move my fingers on. I'm gonna take off my thumb ring.
Nice.
Should I take off my bracelet?
No,
Yeah.
you're fine.
Well, actually, I'm the one like saying.
Okay, mix.
Oh, yeah,
See what
you-
happens. Ooh.
So soft, but my hands are gonna be so sticky. It's gonna be so.
Oh.
I don't know how to mix.
Okay, mix it. Mix your hands. See if you can get it off your hands.
Turning into slime.
Well, that's the plan, Stan.
Are you done?
It's mostly fluffy slime. Fluffy slime.
Is it really fluffy? What do we need? Anything else? Rub it together. Yeah, rub your fingers together. Try to take it off your hands. There you go. It looks like marshmallow fluff. Don't eat it.
Just whatever. Food coloring would be cool. Well, now we know how to make it. Slime.
Metal squirt.
Okay,
Don't.
mix it better. Get the sides here. Oh, get that off me. Ah. There you go. There you go.
Should I go eat some chips?
What do you need? What do you think you need? More solution? More glue? Think it's good?
Probably a little bit more solution.
A little bit more?
Maybe. It's more sticky. More stretchy now.
Ooh.
But it won't come off my hands.
Can you try more? Okay, give me a minute. I'm holding the camera. In that box right there. Oh, there you go. That's looking nice.
Are these ones yours?
Read those.
Huge.
Yeah.
Because they won't fit me.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Get off my hands.
These are probably mine, but I don't understand. Mommy, do I
Okay, how is it? That's pretty good. Okay, should we try to put the metal in?
Yeah.
You ready? Try to get off your fingers a little bit better.
Can you help me?
I said easy.
That's nice.
Is this one for you?
Yeah, those ones are from you.
Christy, can I have some help?
No, you do it.
They're dragon tails.
What's she gonna do?
The thing
How do I get it off my hands?
Rub your fingers.
dragon tails.
There you go. There
Okay,
you
which
go.
one's mine?
Now do it on the back of your hand. In between your fingers. There you go. Hi,
Which
Tibby.
one's mine? Which one's mine? The small one?
Yeah, try the smaller ones on.
Okay.
Won't come off my hands.
Put a little bit more then. No, your fingers. Other hand. There you go.
To mine!
It's like it's a different size every time you order it.
It's obnoxious. We'll put them away.
To mine!
Because those,
To mine!
the first ones we got her, the 4-5s were just fit her nicely. And then I get the size up and they're huge.
Did we get one?
Yeah.
To mine!
Is he getting off now?
A little bit. It's hard though to get off.
What do you want? Wash your hands? Okay, here we go. Try it. See if it made magnetic slime.
Where do I mix it? Can I have a fork to do it this time?
Okay.
I don't want to lose my hand.
See if it.
Heck yeah.
Get the sides. Get the sides. Get the sides. So. Okay, try to do it with your fingers now.
I'm gonna have to wash my hands all over again. Oh no.
Come on, pull it apart. Let's see it.
Stretch.
Okay, mix it in. Mixa, mixa, mixa.
Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it.
Okay. See if it's. We have enough metal in there now.
It looks like enough.
Okay, let's see.
Doesn't work.
Try the other magnet. That doesn't look like there's much on that spot. Turn it. Maybe we need more metal.
Let me stretch it like that.
I can't see.
Oh wait.
Did they do it?
When I touch it, it's working.
Oh, I saw it move a little. Yay, good job, you did it.
Mommy,
Make a look at it.
are you making that in slime?
Yeah, look at it.
Just a little bit.
Wait, can I try?
It kind of looks like venom.
I know.
Wait, wait, look!
Okay, let him try now. Give him,
Fall off. No.
give him half of it and give him some of the magnet.
Here's all of it. Here's all of it.
Oh, sticky.
I know, it's really sticky. I want to make some other slime called fluffy slime.
Fluffy magnetic slime.
Look at this regular fluffy.